Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a Zoopla account. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to zoopla.co.uk and you'll be greeted by a website looking something like this. Now here we have a lot of stuff that you can go through. So here we have stuff for sale, to rent, we have new homes, house prices, we have agent validation, instant validation, we have my home saved and the sign in option. Of course, here as you can see, we know what a home is really worth, find homes to buy or rent, and check houses prices. So you can see for sale, rent, to rent, and house prices. And you can here go and enter in the search box. You can go and enter a address where you would like to find a home by clicking on the search button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a Zoopla account. Well, by first of all going to the top right corner and clicking on sign in, and then you just need to go and click on, if you have no account, as you can see, go and click on register. And here guys, you just need to go and put your email, then create your password. And then guys, when you did that, you just need to go and click on register, or here you have to have a special character also in your password, and then click register. And then you say, they ask you stay ahead of the pack, you say yes please or no, click on register, and then you will be registered to Zoopla and you'll have a Zoopla account. Now as you can see, customize your experience, what's your current property goal, so you can go and put some questions here. You can of course go and skip those questions for now and instantly have your Zoopla account, as you can see. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.